Swansboro Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. Centrally located in Carolina Forest, this very clean 2-bedroom 1.5-bath townhome is equipped with flat-top stove, built-in microwave, refrigerator, icemaker and garbage disposal, and efficient dishwasher. Large eat-in kitchen and the laundry closet off kitchen, washer-dryer included. A small patio outside with storage space. This sidewalk community is close to everything Jacksonville has to offer. Dog negotiable, no dangerous breeds.